Blenders have become an indispensable kitchen companion, and choosing the right one can significantly enhance your culinary endeavors. In this guide, we'll explore 5 top-notch blenders that cater to various needs and preferences, ensuring a delightful blending experience. From cutting-edge technology to budget-friendly brilliance, these blenders are designed to elevate your blending game. 1. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender 690. The Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender stands out as a top-tier blending solution, earning the prestigious Kitchen Gear Award. Packed with innovative features, this blender is designed to elevate your culinary experience. Key features: touch interface and programmable timer. The blender is equipped with a user-friendly touch interface and a programmable timer, providing precise control over your blending process. Self-detect containers. It introduces a convenient self-detect container system. This feature allows the blender to recognize different container sizes automatically, adjusting blend settings accordingly. Restaurant quality results. Renowned for crafting restaurant-quality results, the A3500 excels in creating silky smooth kale smoothies and creamy milkshakes. If you're looking for a blender that combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional blending capabilities, the Vitamix A3500 is a standout choice. 2. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender 350. The Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender offers budget-friendly brilliance without compromising on performance. This blender caters to a wide range of blending needs, making it a versatile and cost-effective choice. Key features: budget-friendly brilliance. The E310 provides outstanding blending capabilities at a more affordable price point, making it an excellent choice for those seeking value without sacrificing quality. Quality comparable to pricier options. Despite its budget-friendly nature, the E310 matches the blending quality of more expensive models, ensuring reliable performance. Versatility with included jars. This blender comes with 3 included jars, enhancing its versatility for various blending tasks. For those on a budget who refuse to compromise on quality, the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender is a compelling option, offering versatility and performance at an accessible price. 3. NutriBullet Blender Combo 140. The NutriBullet Blender Combo is a budget-friendly powerhouse that goes beyond basic blending. Packed with features, it's an excellent choice for users looking for a versatile and affordable blender. Key features: remarkable value. The NutriBullet Blender Combo offers exceptional value for its price, making it an affordable yet high-performing blending solution. Smoothie Bowl Maker Cup. Standout feature includes a smoothie bowl maker cup, allowing for thicker smoothie consistency. The blender also features easy-to-use presets for added convenience. Versatility. Excels not only in creating smoothies but also offers versatility for various blending needs. With its affordable price, versatile features, and impressive performance, the NutriBullet Blender Combo is a standout choice for budget-conscious users. 4. Breville 3X Bluicer Pro 400. The Breville 3X Bluicer Pro is a dynamic kitchen appliance that combines the functionalities of a blender and a juicer. Offering versatility and power, it caters to a range of culinary needs. Key features: Powerhouse Blender and Juicer. This blender not only excels in blending, but also offers juicing capabilities, providing a comprehensive solution for various recipes. Versatile for creamy soups and green smoothies. Its versatility shines through in the ability to make creamy soups and kale-free green smoothies. For those seeking a dual functionality appliance that seamlessly transitions between blending and juicing, the Breville 3X Bluicer Pro is a powerful and versatile choice. 5. Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender 100. The Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender is a hand blender maestro, offering precision and convenience in a compact design. With a non-stick arm, it excels in various blending tasks. Key features: non-stick arm for emulsification. The blender's non-stick arm is specifically designed for emulsifying mayo and other recipes, ensuring smooth and creamy results. Surprising presets and smoothie bowl maker cup. This hand blender stands out with surprising presets and a smoothie bowl maker cup, adding versatility to its compact design. For those in need of a compact yet powerful immersion blender with specialized features like non-stick emulsification, the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender is a top choice. Conclusion. In conclusion, the world of blenders offers a diverse range of options to suit different lifestyles and preferences. Whether you're seeking cutting-edge technology with the Vitamix A3500, budget-friendly brilliance with the Vitamix E310, versatile and affordable performance with the NutriBullet blender combo, dual functionality with the Breville 3X Bluicer Pro, or compact precision with the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender, there's a blender tailored to meet your specific needs. Elevate your kitchen experience by choosing a blender that goes beyond blending, creating culinary masterpieces with every use. If you like our video, please comment below and share. Thanks for watching.